guys, today we are going to write a program which will have two for loops. So we are going to use a for loop, and program will print on screen numbers from 1 to 30 first, and then from 30 to 1. This we are going to do with for loop as I said. Okay, good. First, let's write a for loop, and let's say for, let's say new variable int e is the same 1, good, and let's say e is smaller or the same, so we belong to 1 to 30, so say 30, and last statement e plus plus, good. Now we have statement for loop. Then let's give this bracelet, good, like this. Let's here say enter, and let's say format, good. It's like this, and then program counts e and doesn't go in next line. Maybe we should enter space like this, and this is our first for loop. So it's going to write from 1 to 30. Then let's write the next for loop. Let's say int. If we use second for loop, or in everywhere in this program, we can use int e or int, so variables can be the same, because this int e is going to do only for this for loop. And if right here we have new variable, but let's say we use different variables, so let's say h, good, it's the same 30 now, and let's say e is larger or the same 1, okay, and e minus minus, yes, good, and this, let's say count e, oh wait, h, space, and this is it. Let's see if this program works. Oh wait, but we don't, oh, I used a, I'm used to using e in for loops. I didn't, wait, like this, okay, let's try again. Okay, yes, good. Yes, it works, but it's not seeable. So let's say right here, let's go in the next line, let's call handle, and let's try it again. Okay, good. You can see it goes to 1 to 30 in first line, and to 30 to 1 it goes in second line. So program works, easy for loop, and this is it. If you like this video, and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Thank you.